Today I will show you the best way to clean your house. It's showtime! I work every day from 8 to 7, so I don't have enough time to clean my house. Looking for an easy solution, I found the iRobot vacuum that can clean my house easy and without much work. I researched a lot on the internet and the best option I found is the Xiaomi iRobot vacuum. I already have it for more than 3 months and I'm really satisfied with this product, so I decided to share with you and show how it works in the real life. As you can see, I customized mine with Iron Man sticker. Mine is the Iron Man iRobot vacuum. He comes with the base, power cable, this tool for you clean your vacuum, the menu, the only problem because just comes in Chinese, and the iRobot vacuum. First of all, you need to download the app. I'm showing here at the top how it works. Second, you need to attach the power cable in your base. And now you just need to turn on. So let's turn on. After this, we need to add the device in the Xiaomi app. So we need to open the app, add device. We need to find the iRobot vacuum. After this, we need to check the blue light blinking here on the top. Okay, it's blinking. Let's go next. We need to set up the Wi-Fi. After set up the Wi-Fi, he will start to connect automatically. The first step, I don't have idea what is that because all in Chinese, so I will choose a random. The second step, we can change the name of the device, so I will choose Iron Man. And let's get started. This robot vacuum have 4 modes: the balance, the turbo, the max speed and the quiet. We can start the cleaning for everywhere using the app and also send to the base the time you want. If the battery is not enough, he will go back to the base, charge and go back to the point he stopped and start the cleaning again. This device is really smart and you have total control using the app. Let's check if he really cleaned my house. As you can see guys, the Xiaomi iRobot cleaned my house really well, more than 3 months already. We have a special giveaway with this product, so check the link in the description, like, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye!